How's it guys? Just want to show the new pedal I made. Initially it started off as sort of like an instant lo-fi kind of simulator, but now it kind of just morphed into a bit of nonsense. So it's got three parts. It's like a pitch sort of wobbly section here. There's a sample rate reducer over there, and a sort of fixed wah type filter over here. The wah and the sample rate reducer are switchable in and out the circuit with the two toggle knobs up there. I should mention first of all that it's not quite complete. There's still a bit of noise, still got to work that out. I kind of wired these couple of knobs backwards, but it still works. Quite stoked with it. So let me play some clips. Okay, so turning on the pitch section. Sort of just fiddles with the pitch a bit. Yeah, I mean, obviously some settings can get quite extreme. Then bringing in the sample rate reducer. And then bringing in the filter. Yeah, on the whole, it came together quite nicely. You can hear it's still like a bit noisy. Just gotta change internal wires around, make sure nothing's crossing. But yeah, it works. Yay!